Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Is your terminal taking up space at the bottom of your screen in VS Code? Did you know you can move it to the left or right to free up vertical space? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to move the terminal panel to the side in Visual Studio Code. A small change that can really improve your workflow. Let's get started. First, open your terminal in VS Code using Ctrl+. This opens the terminal at the bottom of your screen. Now, look at the top right corner of the terminal area. You'll see a gear icon. Click on it and choose Move Panel Right or Move Panel Left. VS Code will instantly shift the terminal to that side of the editor. You can also do this from the menu. Click on View, Appearance, Panel Position, then choose your preferred location. This is perfect for ultra-wide monitors or for coders who prefer more vertical room for their code. Need to switch it back later. Just use the same gear icon and click Move Panel to Bottom. That's it. Clean, organized, and customized to your style. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.